Today we're going to unbox and review the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard Low. If you love sneakers and giveaways, make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below because we have a giveaway going on for a pair of Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Citrins. I'm giving away this pair right here, brand new size 11. On October 20th, I will be announcing the winner on my Instagram stories. To enter this giveaway, all you guys need to do is hit that subscribe button down below, hit that post notification bell, and turn on all notifications. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you have both, and then click the link down below in the description and go to the video that I recently did on a massive sneaker unboxing. And on that video, leave a comment telling me why you want these Yeezys, and at the end of your comment, leave your Instagram username. If you want a bonus entry into the giveaway, all you need to do is, of course, make sure that you enter the giveaway, then go on Instagram, make sure you give me a follow, and then send me a DM on Instagram with screenshots with proof that you did everything to enter the giveaway. Good luck. The Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard Low released a few weeks ago. They actually never had an official release date. Most Air Jordans like this, they just release them and they never officially announce when they release them. They just push them to the stores. So this was one of those releases. The sneakers do come in a black standard Jordan box with a gold Jumpman on the box and some other gold hits. The tag does read Air Jordan 1 Low. White, black, and starfish is the official colorway, and retail on these Air Jordan 1 Lows is only 90 United States dollars. So a very good retail sneaker price. I wish every sneaker retailed at only $90. Let's open up the box and let's see the sneakers. So when you open up the box, you do have the white tissue paper with your gold 23 print throughout the paper, and inside, ooh, there they are. We do have the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard Low. So here they are, the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard Low. Guys, it's the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard that we all know and love, and well, just in a low top version. Jordan Brand did a really good job on this sneaker. The color blocking, you do have the orange, the black, the white, really nice. The low top version is different than the high top version because of the details. If you do take a look at the Nike swoosh, it does have patent leather. It is a patent leather Nike swoosh wrapping around. A huge difference on the upper is actually materials used. On the standard Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard, it's all leather. Here on the low, they gave us like a Durabuck material, which I do like, but I do prefer leather. But it is nice to see a switch up, I guess, of materials. So it is Durabuck all the way around with the black and the orange, but it is really nice, and I don't think it's gonna crease nearly as much as leather would. So I think they'll hold up nicely along the toe box, but materials wise, I do prefer leather, which we do have some leather on the inside panels of the sneaker. Some white, really nice tumbled leather on the inside, which I do like a lot. Take a look at the back. You do have that Air Jordan Wings logo stitched in the back. That's really nice, that Air Jordan Wings logo. I like that it's stitched. That detail really does pop. A very nice white midsole wraps around the entire sneaker. You do have black laces running up the black mesh tongue, and on top of the tongue, you do have a white Jumpman logo, and in the middle you do have a lace holder which does have the number 23 in orange. I like that detail. It does pop. The outsole is that bright orange, man. I absolutely love orange. It's a very bright color, and these things really do pop, especially in hand, and I think these things are really gonna pop on feet. So I'm gonna be sure to put these things on feet for you guys. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the on feet. I think these are really dope. On the inside, you do have a black insole with an orange Jumpman as well. I think these are very dope. Details are really there. I'm not crazy personally about the Air Jordan 1 Low. However, I do want to try these out. So with that being said, I'm going to toss these on feet. Let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comments. Do you like the Air Jordan 1 Low? Do you like the Shattered Backboard colorway that much that you want to try the Air Jordan 1 Low? Because honestly, that's me right now. I think these are really dope at $90. Definitely worth it. You cannot go wrong. And spending $90 in comparison to spending, what, like $800, over $1,000 now on the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard, which is just crazy that the sneaker has gone up that much. So spending $90 for these, I think, is a really dope look. The Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard Low fits like any other Air Jordan 1 Low, and that for me is true to size. For you, it might be something else, so I do recommend, of course, going to the store and trying a pair on. If you're gonna order them online, I do recommend going true to size, or if you want to for a tighter fit and to maybe help avoid creasing, you can go down half a size. Definitely worth the $90 in my opinion. Definitely a dope shoe. I'm not crazy about the mid-top version. I think the low is a much much better shoe than the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard Mid. That's why I'm probably not going to do a video here on the mids, but I do want to give you guys this review here on the low top. So let me know what you guys think about these. We also do have, of course, the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 3.0 releasing in October very, very soon. I am going to try to get those in hand actually early for you guys. Hopefully get them early. If not, try to get them on release date and bring you guys some content on the 3.0s. Let me know how you guys like the 3.0s down below in the comments. Also, make sure you guys leave a comment down below and let me know how you guys feel about these. Do you like the low tops? Do you like the high tops? Which one do you prefer? I think these are dope. You can't go wrong for $90. Definitely a dope shoe. Materials are there. The details are very, very nice. Definitely a great colorway of the Air Jordan 1. Shattered Backboard colorway does look very good here on the low top version. I, of course, do prefer the normal Shattered Backboard Air Jordan 1, but with that sneaker being very, very expensive, I think this is a dope alternative and just a really dope cop. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and review and on feet of the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard Low. If you did, make sure you smash that like button and drop a comment down below in the comment section and let me know how you feel about the Shattered Backboard colorway, and are you excited for the 3.0 Shattered Backboard Air Jordan 1. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.